Hello there and welcome back. Today I'm doing some thrifting and I thought I would take you along with me. Wait till the end of the video and I'll share with you what I brought home. So here is today's haul. I went to a couple different stores. I went to Unique and I went to Goodwill. At Goodwill, I found this pillow, which is so cute. I think it is so adorable. I love these little bolster. Is that how you say it? Bolster pillows. It was $3.99, so I thought that was a good price. Also at Goodwill, I picked up this jewelry box. Vintage jewelry box. It's not marked at all, but it's a cute little small one in white. Inside is really rough. Let me see if I can get it open. It's kind of got a smell to it, but, oh wait, this isn't the one that's rough. I'm sorry. I looked at a different one that was really rough. It's got a nice little green inside and a cute little design on the back here instead of a mirror, which is kind of nice. So I love that. It was only $1.99, which is awesome. And then I also picked up this at Goodwill. It's a candle holder. It's a little dusty. It needs a little bit of, a little TLC. But I thought it was really cool, and I think this would look really fun if I painted it. Maybe give it a paint of white or red or something like that, and put it on my porch. Or my deck. Porch or deck, I'm not quite sure. And then put an outdoor candle in it. I think that would be kind of fun. So that's what I'll use that for. So I'll get a little makeover. And then I went to Unique and found another jewelry box, you guys, in navy blue this time. I do not have this color, which I am super excited about because I want to do blue and reds and whites and yellows. I basically want to use primary colors in my bedroom, and this will be perfect. I have a red one, I have a couple white ones now, I've got a green one, but no navy blue until today. So this, I was 20% off day or something like that, so it ended up being $2.99. This one does have a marking on the back. It is fashioned by Farrington on the back there. And let's see, I'll open it up for you. Maybe this one is the one that's kind of rough. Oh no. Anyway, it's a little dirty, but it's got a hot watermelon, hot pink inside, which I think is pretty awesome. So it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it doesn't have a scent or anything. All of the velvet and everything inside is still in place and looking really nice. So this was a great deal, even though it's a little beat up. There's a couple spots here and there on it and on the back that are a little beat up, but for the most part, it's in pretty good shape. So, loving that. All right, so the one other thing I had, if I can reach it, is a spoon rack. I've actually been looking for one that I want to either display some of my favorite silver serving pieces, or to use it to hang some of my vintage handkerchiefs in my office. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but I've been looking for a spoon rack that I liked. I saw this one. It was $5.99, but with a discount today, it ended up being only $2.99. And I just thought this was so cool. I've never seen a spoon rack like this with the little shelf on the bottom. So I thought that was super cute. I am loving it. So that is a really cool find. It will get painted up. I'm not quite sure. Once I figure out where I'm going to put it, then I'll figure out how I'm going to paint it. But this will be a little makeover that's coming very soon on my channel. So those are the items that I picked up today. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me and seeing my haul for today. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye now.